Hello, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'm going to be making Rachel's special burger sauce, better than Big Mac sauce. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of mayo, half a cup of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of my homemade relish. You can chop up dill pickles if you'd like, or use any relish, sweet relish that you have. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 to 4 teaspoons of vinegar or pickle juice. I use dill pickle juice. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of paprika. You could adjust your spices. And this is optional. I just used 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm gonna also add a couple drops of just red hot. Any kind of hot sauce would be good. Get a few drops, maybe a couple more. I like mine spicy. And then I am just going to blend it all together. You could adjust your sugars, you can adjust your vinegar or pickle juice. You might want to add a little bit more, a little less. You might want to skip the hot sauce if you don't like too spicy. And that's what it looks like. And if you want it a little thicker, you can add more mayonnaise, less ketchup. It's delicious on burgers. You can also cut this recipe in half if you're only doing 4 to 6 burgers. I usually make about 12 to 14 depending on when I have company. But you can half the recipe and it'll give you about a cup. This gives me about 2 cups. And this will store in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks in a tightly sealed container.